रंडाट 100 साल पहले ये कैसे बना?
इतना मशीन, इतना ऊंचा।
What's the secret to it? Fragrant. How much for this saffron?
About 200 tola.
And if I take 2 meters of this cloth?
150 each final
Done.
price.
Wrap it for me, please.
The foundation wall is showing here. See the black granite pieces.
Aye, we should clear more soil from this side. The
Lower
road's
it.
ready.
I'll tie it under the block.
Steady now. On my mark.
Each groove is cut by hand, the way masons shaped the sandstone for the Qutub Minar more than 8 centuries ago. Patience and precision turn raw.
These red sandstone blocks are cut and leveled here before we lift them up for the tower. Each one has to sit flush so the weight of the next ring is carried evenly.
Ready to tie. Blocks clear. Lift. More to the left. Yes, bring it down. Set it. Good. Mallets. Keep it moving, brothers.